could describe helping your brain with one single food, you know? Like dopamine, cocoa, gut health, cocoa, circulation, cocoa, increasing your memory skills. This bar, cocoa. Oh my god, that new study, cocoa. Oh my god, cocoa. Is this real? Cocoa in your brain now. Oh, it makes your brain alright. Yum yum. Oh, neuroplasticity. Yum yum. Oh my god, all the flavonoids, no oxidation. Now you be like yum. Yum, 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 yum. Cocoa. Oh yeah, it's cocoa. What do you love? Cocoa. What does it do? Help in your brain now. Cocoa, 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 yum, yummy cocoa. Where is it? In a study, they found it makes your brain go focus. It does what? Go focus. It does what else? And it also regulated the gut-brain axis. The what? Gut-brain axis. It's cocoa, 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 cocoa. It's the shit. It's the what? It's the shit. No, it's not. It's cocoa, 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 cocoa. It's the shit. It's the what? It's the yum, yummy cocoa. There it is now. Yummy. Those who eat what? More cocoa than others. They have better brains. It's science, I say. I'm smarter now. You're not. God, it's yummy. Jealous of my chocolate? Yeah. Yeah, the taste is fucking yummy. God, I could just eat cocoa every single fucking day. Cocoa is yummy. Because it's cocoa, 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 yum, yummy cocoa. Where is it? You can eat it like a bag of chocolate chips. Are you sure? Chocolate chips. I don't know, I've heard 85% are better. Obvi, there's a better option. Cocoa nibs. Oh yeah, there it is. Cocoa nibs. They have fiber. Cocoa. It's the shit. It's the what? It's the shit. No, it's not. It's cocoa.